My name, Mujib.
Helo, fy enw I yw Hannah.
Today we're going to have fun dancing. First, we're going to warm up. So you're going to copy me. And you too, copy me too. So first we're going to warm up our feet. We're going to go some tap dance like a bird. So think about a bird while you're doing this. So go tap, 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 tap. Good. Just let the blood flow around our body and let the muscles know we're going to do some dancing now and today. Boom. Can we go around in circle with that, guys? Boom, boom, boom. Tap, 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 tap. Good. It's a bit tricky to go in circle with this, so you've got to be really coordinated, thinking about it. Boop, boop, boop. Get your wildlife instinct on. Hey. Tap, 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 tap. Really good. And then we just stop in front there. Good. And stop. Now we're going to go into our knees. So we just hands on your knees, really. So we're really bringing our body in and out, in and good. Stay there. Couple more. Really good. And last one. Hey. Good. I'm going to go into our waist and upper body, put our hands on our waist. I'm going to start from the left. Go swing left, swing right. Go as far as you want or as not far as you want. Boom, boom. Really good. Couple more. 6, 4, 2, and last one. And stop there. Really good. If we just really grab our shoulder there, just above our rhomboids muscle, and we just go alternating our arms and go up, down, really get our shoulder muscle working. Good. Gonna do a couple of this anyhow you want to do it. I'm doing it swinging it around. You can just rotate it. Feel free to adapt it your way. Go 3 more. 3, 2, and stop. Really, really good. Amazing. That's our warm-up done. So now I'm going to teach you some movement, and we're going to be exploring a bird theme, like in Whimsy. A bird. Okay. Yeah, just get your wildlife instincts on, thinking like a bird, get your bird cap on, and go as the flow. You might want to copy exactly what I'm doing or do something similar, but still thinking about bird. So first, I'm dropping my shoulder that way and hanging my head as well. So by the time I raise my head up, my arms goes up with it as well. Okay? And then we're doing a gliding movement like a bird while using our arms as well. Glide. And glide, almost like you grab something and pick it back up. Glide. And one more. Glide. And then we finish there into a slide. And then we'll do a spiral or rotation. Then when we drop there, we act as if we're finding our food like a bird. Finding our food. We'll keep going with that. Yes. Keep going with that. A little bit further, Anna. Yeah. And then one more there. And then we stop. Right? That's where we're going to a quick bird hop. So we'll go bird tap, hand goes up, your left arm goes forward, and then you go like a bird flap, bring it into your shoulder, your chest with the other arm, and drop it there. There you go, just that last part again. So it goes with the knee, 2, hop, yeah, and then you throw your left arm while your right arm come back, do a flap, follow with your eyes, bring it back to your chest, and finish there. Okay? Good? Okay, well, I'm sure you got it. So we're going to perform it for you now. I've taught these guys already, so we're going to do it so you can see what it looks like. brilliant. Well done, guys. Now we're gonna do a little cool down, because all is good to cool down. We've got our heart racing already. So we're gonna start with a little tap. Tap, sort of, just one time. Yes, boom. Okay, you can have the head as well. Bounce it, bounce, and bounce it. So you get that neck muscle. Really cool in that. Good. Now we can stop with the neck movement, and then we could go. We'll do a sign, BSO sign for bird, which is that way, while stretching our legs backwards. Really cool and soulful. This is meant to be a cool down. At your own pace. 3 more. 1, 2, and then we're going to do to the side. Side, side, with the beak as well. Side, side. Good. Side, side, side. 3 more. 3, 2, 1, and we stop on the spot. Then one big round the world, swoop from the ground. Really stretch it up there. Deep breath down. And we'll finish. Thank you. Well done. Thank you so much.